In this video, I'll answer the question, can you buy Telegram stars with Google Pay? As of now, Telegram stars are mainly available through in-app purchases on iOS or via credit debit cards on Android. Google Pay is not directly supported as a payment method within the Telegram app for purchasing stars, at least not officially. However, some users have found workarounds by using a card linked to their Google Pay account, then completing the transaction through that card. If you're on Android, try adding a card through your Google Wallet and use it during checkout. Always check if your region supports Telegram stars and compatible payment methods. Keep in mind that support for different payment options can change, so it's worth trying a small purchase first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech and app tips. Let me know in the comments if you've successfully used Google Pay for Telegram stars. I'd love to hear your experience.